Hi, I'm an AI clone of Moodup CEO Danny Stefanik, and today I wanted to talk about the pros and cons of hybrid events. More specifically, the cons, which, unlike the pros, are more technical in nature. Here are some examples. Number one, technology. A recent study on virtual events shows that 67% of event organizers state that technology to ensure a smooth experience is a challenge or concern. Determine your success goals and choose a platform that can deliver the type of experience you want in order to achieve them. Number two, potential connectivity issues. Choose a virtual venue that supports the features that best serve your goals. Focus on accessibility, support, and scalability. Number three, complex to deliver. There's absolutely no reason why your on-site and remote audiences should be isolated from each other. Unify them using immersive 3D portals with two-way communication between your on-site and virtual attendees. A platform that supports this will simplify content delivery and ensure engagement, making your life and job so much easier. Number four, costs. Planning a hybrid event can not only be a little more complex, but it can be more expensive than a normal live event. However, not only there are a lot of ways you can actually save money by planning properly from start to finish, but also what's invested today will become an asset you can reuse and save costs for future events. I hope you found these ideas useful. I look forward to sharing more with you again soon. Meanwhile, please check part 1 of the pros and cons of hybrid events.